Okay, let's talk about suffixes. The suffix er. Okay, so quickly, in English, a lot of words come from Latin or Greek root words. So we're talking about ancient languages, the Latin language, and Greek is still spoken today. These words are often used as words in literature, words in science, academic words. Okay, so we have the root word, okay, and you know what root means, like the part of a plant that's below the ground. That's supposed to be a flower. So those are the roots. Okay, so we can have many roots that mean something. An example would be the root port, okay, which is a Latin root, and it means to carry. And from that we get words like deport, transportation, important, airport, teleport, portable, etc. Lots of words. So that is a root word. Okay, so we can have root words. We can also have, we do also have affixes. We have prefixes, and then we have suffixes. Okay, I'm going to run out of room. Let me try that again. We have prefixes, and then we have suffixes. So prefixes are before before the root word, and suffixes are after the root word. So for example, port. A prefix could be D, port, and the suffix could be shun. We get the word deportation. But we don't like that word. Let's try another one. How about transportation? Okay. Trans for the prefix, port, tation. So trans means across, port means to carry, shun means noun in the way of. So to carry across as a noun, transportation. And many words in English are made up this way, like puzzle pieces, with prefix, root word, and suffix. Now that you know the basics, let's look at our lesson. So in this lesson, we're going to look at as a suffix. A suffix is one or more letters that are added to the end of a base word. And I just told you a base word is called a root word. Those two terms are interchangeable, root word or base word. The letters can be a suffix. The suffix can change in an action word to a word that names the person who does the action. So a couple of examples. Travel, okay, travel is an action word. Travel is a verb, okay? But if I add to it, it becomes traveler, and traveler is a noun. Okay, so travel plus traveler. Travel is a verb. Traveler is a person who travels. Work is a verb. To work. I work. He works. Work plus is worker. He is a worker. Noun. And I'll give you an example. Let's see. Okay, teach. I am a teacher. Noun. Okay. So, means a person who. Means a person who does that action. Okay, so we have player, catcher. Underline the noun that names a person who does the action. Then use it to finish the next sentence. Okay, let me have you write this in your notebook, please. So in your notebook, please write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. You do not need to copy what's here. Just write one word for each number. So for number 1, you would write player, player. For number 2, you would write catcher in your notebook. And please write suffixes is the name of this page, suffix. Okay. Number 3. A player is a person who plays ball. A Maya player put the ball through a stone ring. Number 4. A catcher is a person who catches. A baseball catcher catches the ball. A jumper is a person who jumps. In basketball, a high jumper can slam dunk. Number 6 through 13. Complete each sentence with the noun that names the person who does the action. Add to the underlined action word to make the noun. Bob will play a game of football. Bob is a great player. Jan will help her mom. Jan is her mom's helper. Ed will paint my house. Ed is a painter. Pablo will report the news each day. Pablo is a news reporter. Sarah can learn quickly. Sarah is a fast learner. Tom likes to read stories. Tom is a good reader. Alicia likes to teach children. Alicia is a teacher. Sam can catch any fast ball. Sam is a good catcher. So make sure you've written numbers 1 through 13 in your notebooks. And you titled it Suffix Lesson. Thank you.